In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with Zapier in just 5 minutes. The process is straightforward, but I'll guide you step by step to ensure everything is seamless and clear. First, you'll want to head over to the Pipedrive website. Pipedrive is an intuitive sales CRM and pipeline management software that helps businesses manage their sales process more effectively. Once you're there, proceed to the login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to access your Pipedrive dashboard. For those who might be new, you'll need to sign up for an account first, which is a fairly quick process. Once logged in and settled on the Pipedrive homepage, look towards the top corner of your screen for a 3-dot icon. This is where you can access additional settings and features. Go ahead and click it. Upon clicking, you'll see a drop-down menu that offers a variety of options for managing your account. From here, select Marketplace. This is the area where you can find all the integrations Pipedrive offers, including third-party applications like Zapier. In the Marketplace search bar, type in Zapier. Zapier is a versatile tool that allows you to connect your apps and automate workflows without the need for complicated programming. Once you've entered your search, click on the Zapier app when it appears in the results. You'll be greeted with a page offering a brief overview of what the integration can achieve, including automating tasks between Pipedrive and over 2,000 other apps, a real time saver when set up properly. The next steps involve setting up your Zaps, which are essentially automated workflows that connect Pipedrive to another service through Zapier. To create a Zap, ensure your Zapier account is linked with your Pipedrive account, following the on-screen prompts. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, you'll need to sign up on their site. Fortunately, they provide a comprehensive guide to get you started. Building your first Zap might seem daunting, but Zapier's intuitive interface usually takes the guesswork out, guiding you through the necessary steps and configurations. Consider outlining what processes you'd like to automate, such as creating records, updating entries, or generating notifications, and explore the possible apps and triggers that align with your objectives. Remember, automation can drastically reduce repetitive tasks, so take your time exploring Zapier's capabilities. With your Zapier and Pipedrive integration up and running, you'll be on your way to a more streamlined and efficient workflow. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on how to integrate Pipedrive with Zapier. And there you have it. Your Pipedrive is now successfully connected to Zapier, opening up a world of automation possibilities. Congratulations on taking this step towards optimizing your workflow. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more efficient solutions.